Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss one more concept based on permutation. Yesterday we discussed how can we do arrangements and how can we solve the factorials. But now how can permutation can be done? See this one. The formula for the permutation is P means permutation, N indicate the total number of case, R indicate the case which are in our favor, and both of these are separated by comma. Now, how can it be written? It is written as n factorial upon n minus r factorial. See, first number upon difference of these two numbers. Whenever you open a permutation, then it can remember the value of n is always greater than r. It is the case when this question is possible. Second, when n is equals to r, in these two situations we can open the permutation. But whenever n is less than r, in that situation it is not possible to open a permutation. So value of r is always less than n. Number two, value of r may be equals to n, but value of r can never be greater than n. And permutation also be represented. This p and r is also represent like that n p r. So these are the two way to represent a permutation, means arrangement in which we use the value of factorial. So it is a general way to open a factorial with the help of permutation. Now see, let us discuss one question by opening a permutation. NP5 is equals to 42 into NP3, and he say the value of n should be greater than 4. See this one. Here is 5, so definitely n is greater than 5. Here is 3, therefore n should be greater than 3. If we observe the statement 4 is greater than 3, 4 is greater than 3, so we can accept the 4 as the answer if we think. But if we go with this one, 4 greater than 5, it is not possible. So definitely our answer will be more than 4. It is not equals to 4. And one more thing important, value of n and value of r can never be negative. It is always positive, and it is always positive means it is always in the form of whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any value, but never in fraction, never in negative. Now see, how can we open? According to formula of NPR, it is n factorial upon n minus 5 factorial. It is 42 n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial. Now see, it is n factorial, it is n factorial. Symbol of equality is there. In case of symbol of equality, this n and n get cancelled. It is n minus 1 factorial, it is n minus 3 factorial. First of all, which factorial should be open? In case of number, we see the number is larger, that value should be open. But in case of n, it is quite difficult to take a decision, but it is the easiest way. In both situation, n is same. In this situation, 5 is subtracted. In this situation, 3 is subtraction. So it means this value 3, when it is subtracted from this statement, this result is larger than this one, because from this one 5 is subtracted, from this one 3 is subtracted. So this value gives the larger result. So always open the larger value. N minus 5 factorial as it is 42 upon, first of all, n minus 3, reducing 1 at a time. By reducing 1, it is n minus 4. By reducing 1, it is n minus 5. Because we have a rule for factorial that we can reduce only 1 at a time. So n minus 3, then n minus 4, then n minus 5, and stop the factorial here. Now this n minus 5, this n minus 5 get cancelled. Cross multiplication, n minus 3, n minus 4 is equals to 42, a quadratic equation. N square, 3 and 4, it is 7n plus 12 minus 42 equals to 0. N square minus 7n minus 30 equals to 0. Now go for factor by splitting its middle term. N square minus 7n minus 30 equals to 0. N square minus 10n plus 3n minus 30 equals to 0. N square, n is common, n minus 10 plus 3 is common, n minus 10. Now see, it is n minus 10, it is n plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore n minus 10 equals to 0, n plus 3 equals to 0. N is equals to minus 3, n is equals to 10. N can never be negative, therefore it should be rejected. And n is equals to 10, it is also satisfied the condition n greater than 4, therefore our answer n is equals to 10. So it is a way to open a permutation and how to simplify.